The 2026 FIFA World Cup was one of the biggest and most spectacular tournaments in history. But beyond the goals, the trophies, and the surprises, it was also marked by several controversial incidents and organizational mistakes that drew unprecedented criticism from millions of fans around the world. In this video, we'll count down the top 10 biggest controversies of the 2026 World Cup, ranking them from number 10 to number 1. And as we move up the list, you'll discover that what happened was even bigger and stranger than you could imagine. Let's get started and see what takes the 10th spot. Number 10. England's equipment theft. Just before England played the opening match of the 2026 World Cup, a very unusual incident took place. While the team's equipment was being transported from its training camp in Florida to its hotel in Kansas City, officials discovered that part of the shipment had disappeared. The stolen items included players' boots, official match balls, gloves, jerseys, and training equipment, creating concern inside the England camp just days before the tournament began. US authorities immediately launched an investigation and arrested several suspects. Fortunately for England, most of the equipment was recovered before the team's opening match. However, the incident sparked widespread criticism of the tournament's security and organization, especially since it involved one of the competition's biggest national teams before they had even kicked a ball. Number 9. The Messi incident against Algeria. Argentina's opening match produced one of the tournament's most controversial moments. In the 31st minute, Lionel Messi made a heavy challenge on Algerian defender Issa Mandi. Many refereeing experts believed the tackle deserved a straight red card, but the referee allowed play to continue without even showing a yellow card. The decision immediately ignited social media, with widespread criticism directed at both the referee and the VAR officials. After the match, the incident was reviewed repeatedly, and many analysts agreed that a dismissal would have been the correct decision. The controversy followed the tournament throughout its later stages. Every time Argentina won another match, fans returned to discuss the challenge against Algeria, with many considering it the beginning of the refereeing controversies that surrounded Argentina all the way to the knockout rounds. Number 8. The water breaks that sparked major controversy. Because of the high temperatures and humidity in several host cities, FIFA introduced mandatory water breaks in a large number of matches, allowing players to recover and continue the game safely. However, the decision was far from universally accepted. Many fans and coaches criticized the frequent stoppages, arguing that they disrupted the rhythm of the matches and reduced the intensity, especially during high-profile games played at a fast pace. FIFA, on the other hand, defended the measure, insisting that player health and safety had to come first and that the cooling breaks were essential given the challenging weather conditions. Although the intention was to protect the players, the water breaks remained one of the tournament's most controversial organizational decisions, earning the 8th spot among the biggest controversies of the 2026 World Cup. Number 7. Strict security measures and entry problems. From the very first day of the tournament, the 2026 World Cup faced heavy criticism over its strict security procedures, particularly in the United States. Instead of football dominating the headlines, visa issues and security screenings became major talking points. One of the biggest controversies involved Somali referee Omar Abdulkadir Artan. Although he had been officially selected by FIFA to officiate World Cup matches, he was denied entry into the United States and removed from the list of referees before the tournament began. That wasn't the only incident. Iraq striker Ayman Hussein was reportedly questioned for around 7 hours at Chicago's airport, where his mobile phone was thoroughly searched before he was eventually allowed to enter the country. Meanwhile, a photographer working with the Iraqi national team was denied entry to the United States after being detained for more than 10 hours. These incidents led to widespread criticism, with many believing that the security procedures negatively affected teams and official delegations before the competition had even started. For that reason, the security and visa issues take 7th place among the biggest organizational controversies of the 2026 World Cup. Number 6. Breel Embolo's controversial red card. One of the most controversial moments of the 2026 World Cup came during the match between Argentina and Switzerland. In the 72nd minute, following a challenge between Leandro Paredes and Breel Embolo in midfield, the referee initially showed a yellow card to Paredes. However, after a VAR review, the match took an unexpected turn. The referee rescinded Paredes' yellow card and instead ruled that Embolo had attempted to deceive the referee to win a foul. He was shown a second yellow card, followed immediately by a red card, forcing Switzerland to play the remainder of the match with 10 men. The decision sparked outrage among the Swiss players and coaching staff. Head coach Murat Yakin described the new rule as unacceptable, while refereeing experts were divided. Some supported the application of the law, while others criticized the use of VAR in situations involving a first yellow card. For that reason, Breel Embalo's dismissal became one of the biggest controversies of the 2026 World Cup, earning the 6th spot in this ranking. Number 5. Cristiano Ronaldo's suspension lifted before the World Cup. Before the tournament even began, one of the biggest stories surrounded Cristiano Ronaldo. He had been sent off during the European qualifiers against Ireland and, according to the regulations, was expected to miss Portugal's opening World Cup match due to suspension. Just days before the tournament, however, FIFA's disciplinary committee announced an exceptional decision. Ronaldo had already served one match of his suspension, while the remaining 2 matches were suspended for 1 year on probation, making him eligible to play for Portugal at the World Cup. The decision immediately generated widespread debate. Many fans and analysts believed FIFA had given Ronaldo special treatment, while FIFA defended the ruling, stating that it was made under Article 27 of the Disciplinary Code and took into account that it was Ronaldo's first straight red card in more than 225 international appearances. Because of the controversy it created, the decision to lift Cristiano Ronaldo's suspension ranks 5th among the biggest scandals and controversies of the 2026 World Cup. Number 4. The ticket pricing controversy and unstable prices. One of the biggest sources of frustration for football fans during the 2026 World Cup was the ticketing system. For the first time in World Cup history, FIFA introduced dynamic pricing, meaning ticket prices were no longer fixed but constantly changed according to demand for each match. The result surprised many supporters. The exact same seat for the same match could be sold at one price and then cost significantly more just hours or days later. Many fans felt they had been treated unfairly. Some purchased tickets at very high prices only to see them become cheaper later, while others experienced the opposite. The criticism became so widespread that fans, politicians, and supporters associations called on FIFA to abandon the system, arguing that buying World Cup tickets had started to resemble booking airline tickets rather than attending a football tournament. Despite the backlash, FIFA defended the policy, stating that dynamic pricing simply reflected the level of demand for each match. For that reason, the controversy over ticket prices ranks 4th among the biggest organizational scandals of the 2026 World Cup. Number 3. The refereeing controversy in Egypt versus Argentina. One of the most controversial matches of the 2026 World Cup was the round of 16 clash between Egypt and Argentina. Argentina won 3-2, but after the final whistle, the discussion centered almost entirely on the referee and VAR. The controversy began when Argentina were awarded a penalty. However, goalkeeper Mustafa Shobair produced a brilliant save to deny Lionel Messi and preserve Egypt's lead. Later in the match, Egypt appealed for several refereeing decisions, most notably a penalty that was never awarded, despite strong protests from both the players and the coaching staff. Then came the most controversial moment of the night. Mustafa Ziko had a goal ruled out following a lengthy VAR review, a decision that infuriated Egyptian supporters. The Egyptian Football Association later described it as one of the most decisive refereeing decisions affecting the outcome of the match. After the game, the Egyptian Football Association filed an official complaint against the refereeing team and the VAR officials, while head coach Hossam Hassan strongly criticized the officiating and accused the referees of favoring Argentina. Because of everything that happened, the Egypt-Argentina match takes 3rd place among the biggest controversies of the 2026 World Cup. Number 2. The major controversy surrounding the 2026 World Cup draw. Before the tournament, FIFA announced a new draw system. Under this format, the top 4 teams in the FIFA World Ranking were placed on separate knockout paths, meaning that if they all progressed, they could not meet until the semi-finals. As the tournament unfolded, exactly that happened. All 4 of the world's highest-ranked teams reached the semi-finals, leading many fans to question the draw system. Critics argued that it had favored the biggest teams by preventing them from facing each other until the final stages. FIFA, however, insisted that the system had been announced well before the draw took place and that the teams had been allocated according to the official regulations, with no manipulation involved. Even so, the debate continued throughout the tournament, with many believing that the format clearly benefited the top-ranked nations. For that reason, the controversy surrounding the 2026 World Cup draw ranks 2nd among the tournament's biggest scandals and controversies. Number 1. Donald Trump's intervention in Florian Balogun's suspension. This was the most controversial incident of the 2026 World Cup. After United States striker Florian Balogun was sent off, he was expected to miss the match against Belgium due to an automatic suspension. The surprise came when US President Donald Trump publicly announced that he had spoken with FIFA President Gianni Infantino and asked him to reconsider the decision, arguing that the red card had been too harsh. Just hours later, FIFA suspended the enforcement of the ban, making Balogun eligible to play. The decision sparked widespread outrage, particularly from Belgium, as many believed it was the first time a head of state had openly intervened in a disciplinary decision involving the World Cup. Critics argued that it undermined FIFA's independence. FIFA defended its decision, stating that it had been made in accordance with the disciplinary regulations and not as a result of political pressure. Whether the decision was justified or not, Trump's involvement in the Balogun case remained the tournament's biggest controversy, earning it first place among the biggest scandals of the 2026 World Cup. In conclusion, these were the 10 biggest scandals and controversies of the 2026 World Cup. It was a tournament full of unforgettable football, but also one packed with decisions and incidents that sparked intense debate, stories that fans are still talking about today. Now it's your turn. Which incident shocked you the most? And do you think something else deserved the number 1 spot instead of Trump's intervention? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.